Imagine this. Google just dropped something that could shake the entire AI world. It's called Gemini 2, and some people are already asking, is OpenAI in serious trouble? The results are unbelievable. If you thought ChatGPT was impressive, wait until you hear what Gemini can do. This might just be the beginning of a new AI war. So, what exactly is Gemini 2? It's Google's latest artificial intelligence model built by DeepMind, the same team that brought us AlphaGo and made headlines worldwide. With Gemini 1 already showing strong performance, version 2 is aiming to outperform GPT-4, not just match it. And from the early tests and demos, it's looking like Google didn't come to play, they came to dominate. First, let's talk about capability. Gemini 2 is multimodal, just like GPT-4, but it's doing it differently. It doesn't just process text. It understands images, audio, video, code, and can switch between them seamlessly. Imagine asking an AI to watch a YouTube video, summarize it for you, generate subtitles, and even create a follow-up script, all in one go. That's what Gemini 2 is pushing toward, and here's where it gets crazier. Gemini 2 has been trained on massive amounts of data, but not just public internet data like other models. Google has access to things OpenAI doesn't. Google search data, YouTube content, Gmail, Docs, Android interactions, of course, all anonymized and controlled. But this gives Gemini a much broader, more real-world understanding. In benchmark tests, Gemini 2 beat GPT-4 in multiple categories: math reasoning, code generation, and even complex logic puzzles. In one example, Gemini was able to write and debug Python code with fewer errors and explain the logic behind its decisions better than GPT 4.4. In another, it was shown an image of a physics problem, and it solved it by analyzing the visual and the written information together. That's something even GPT-4 struggles with. And let's not forget speed. Google says Gemini 2 runs faster than previous models and is more energy efficient. That means cheaper, quicker results for users and developers. And with integration into Android, Google Search, and workspace apps like Docs and Gmail, Gemini could be in billions of devices almost overnight. That scale OpenAI can't match right now. Now, here's where things really heat up. Google is already rolling out Gemini 2 into Bard, its AI chatbot, and it's being renamed to just Gemini. So now when you use Bard, you're using Gemini. That's a smart move. People trust Google, and now they're getting a supercharged AI tool without even knowing it. But does this mean OpenAI is finished? Not necessarily. OpenAI still has a strong lead with ChatGPT, especially with its massive user base and developer ecosystem. Plus, GPT-5 is in development, and OpenAI might come back with something even more powerful. But for now, Gemini 2 is clearly setting a new bar. There's also a big trust factor. While Gemini 2 is powerful, people are starting to ask, how much data is Google using to train this AI? How private is it really? These questions could slow down adoption if not handled carefully. Still, there's no denying that we're watching a clash of tech titans. On one side, OpenAI with ChatGPT, the name everyone knows. On the other, Google with Gemini 2, quietly being built into the tools we already use every day. It's not just about who has the smarter AI, it's about who can deliver it to more people, faster, and in the most useful way. And let's not forget the others. Meta is building Llama, Anthropic has Claude, and Elon Musk is pushing Grok. But right now, it feels like Gemini vs. GPT, and things are getting intense. So what does this mean for us?